Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth, in case you guys don't know who I am. And yeah, welcome back to my channel. It's been a very long time for those of you who watch my channel. And I am just really excited to be back. And I'm going to be doing a foxy cat eye look today. So something very simple and glam but natural, effortless makeup for the summer months. So I'm going to probably upload this video after my life update so that you guys know where I've been, what I've been up to in this past year. And I'm just really excited and nervous, I cannot deny, to be back. But yeah, I really hope that you guys like this tutorial. And if you do, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how I got this makeup look, please keep watching and we will get right into the tutorial. First, I'm going to prep the eyelids all the way up to the brow bone. So this is the Balm Cosmetics concealer and it is in the shade Light. We want to have a flawless blank canvas on our eyes so that everything just looks very flawless and stands out a lot more. So now I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Reloaded eyeshadow palette. So yeah, I'm going to take the skin tone color on the far right, and that shade is called Bribe. So we're going to apply it all over the eyes, so all the way up to the brow bone, just to set the concealer in place. So now to start achieving that look, we're going to go from a very light brown to then the most intense brown. I'm first going to start out with Blur, and then I will go on to this shade right here. This one is called Boundaries. So for Blur, I'm going to take the fluffiest brush. I'm going to start from the outer bottom corner and taking it up towards the tail of the eyebrow, creating a very diffused wing, pretty much. I'm going to run it all along the lash line. To take Boundaries and again bottom to the top. So now I'm going to take the Warm-Up Sessions by Huda Beauty, and I'm going to take a bit of a darker shade. So we're just going to go like a shade and a half darker pretty much. So we're going to go like a shade and a half darker pretty much and apply that the same way. However, I am going to switch brushes to something that's like an angled eyebrow brush. I don't use this on my eyebrows because it is a lot thicker than something that I would use to do my eyebrows. So we're going to repeat that process and begin from the outer bottom corner. And pretty much just take it into a wing and then go in on the upper lash line. And here I'm just going to stamp it on. Now I'm going to be taking an eye kohl by MAC, and the color is Costa Rica. I'm going to create a wing with this, and then I will smudge it out just to make it intense, a little bit more intense. And now to smudge it out, I'm going to take a bullet brush, which is not very stiff, so it's going to let me diffuse it a little bit more. Make it look a lot softer and smokier. Now on top of that, I'm going to take the color Bad Game from the Urban Decay Reloaded palette. And I'm going to leave like a third of the inner corner of the top lash line. So I'm not going to apply it there. And again, I'm going to switch brushes and just slightly, without applying too much pressure, just diffuse it a little bit. So now I'm going back with boundaries, and I'm just going to run it along the top so that you can still see that color peeking through. First, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. And for my mascara, I'm applying the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Just going to add a quick coat. So these are the lashes that I'm going to be applying. As you can see, they're very wispy-like. And I like to use my fingers to apply them. I know it's just more comfortable for me. And then I usually take like the back end of a brush and just press them. So I want to lift up this outer corner. So for my lip liner, I used the KW lip liner in Nude 1.5. I'm also going to use the lipstick by KKW in Classic K. So now I'm going to add a little bit of bronzer. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Bronzer. I just want the overall makeup look to look natural, I guess, even though I'm wearing a full face of makeup, but I don't want it to look like I tried really hard. Just because I want to hide that double chin and the big forehead. Now for my blush, I'm going to be taking one of my favorite, just hint of color, natural looking blushes, and it is by the Balm Cosmetics. It's the Balm Beach Blush. So you can see it's a very light pinky nude shade. You know, the color changing in the background, but this is not going to be my permanent setup. This is just what I'm working with right now. So I want to apply it to the apples of the cheek. Just think that it looks really pretty this way during the summer. Alright, so this is the final makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this really quick and simple but glam makeup look. I'm really loving the foxy eye trend right now. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will be working on my background lighting situation. Everything is going to change. I'm just, I just wanted to come back and at least do something with working with what I have right now. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!